Hello everyone, welcome to Finite Element Method tutorial. I am V. Rakesh, Assistant Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department. Today I will discuss how to calculate deflection at the center of a simply supported beam by using weighted residual techniques. The given problem is find the deflection at the center of a simply supported beam of span length L subjected to uniformly distributed load throughout its length as shown in figure using point collocation method, subdomain collocation method, least square method and Galerkin's method. This is the given simply supported beam. Its length is L. Its boundary conditions varies from 0 to L. X equals 0 at starting point, X equal L at ending point, X equal L by 2 at midpoint, that is C. We know deflection deflection at midpoint for the simply supported beam, that is phi W L power 4 by 384 EI, that is Y max equal phi W L power 4 by 384 EI. Phi W L power 4 by 384 EI. Now check this answer by using weighted residual techniques. Now first to write differential equation for the beam, that is governing equation for the deflection of beam subjected to uniformly distribution load is given by EI W d power 4y by dx power 4 minus w equals 0. Limits x equal 0 to L, that is 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to L. Also we know the bending moment formula, that is EI d square y by dx square. In this, E is Young's modulus, I is moment of inertia, Y is deflection of the beam. Now let us select the trial function for the deflection as, that is y equal a sin pi x by L. This is equation number 1. Now derive this deflection with respect to x, and dy by dx equal to a sin pi x by L. Derivative is sin derivative cos pi x by L, pi L derivative pi L, that is a pi L into cos pi x by L. Again derivative this term, that is d square y by dx square equal cos derivative minus sin theta, that means minus a pi by L into sin pi x by L, pi x by L derivative pi by L, that is minus a pi square by L square sin pi x by L. This is equation number 2. This equation 1 satisfies the boundary condition, that is y equal to 0 at x equals 0 and x equal to L. Now substitute these two boundary condition in equation 1, that is y equal a sin pi by L into x is 0 sin 0 0. First boundary condition is satisfied. Second one is a sin pi L by L, that is L get cancelled, sin n pi is 0, equation 1 satisfies these two boundary condition, that is y equals 0 at x equals 0 and x equal L. Similarly, the equation 2 satisfy the boundary condition, that is bending moment equation ei d square y by dx square equals 0 at x equals 0 and x equal L. Differentiating equation 2 two times, we get d cube y by dx cube equal to minus a pi cube by L cube cos pi x by L. Fourth derivative is d power 4y by dx power 4 equal to a pi by 4 L by 4 into sin pi x by L. This is equation number 3. Substituting the equation 3 in the governing differential equation, that is r equal to ei d power 4y by dx power 4 equal to this one, that is ei a pi power 4 by L power 4 sin pi x by L minus w. This is equation number 4. First method is, now calculate the, now evaluate this, now find coefficient a by using point collocation method. Point collocation method means, in this method the residual is set to 0, that means r equals 0. R means ei a pi power 4 by L power 4 sin pi x by L minus w equals 0. Now simplify this equation. In the given problem, to get maximum deflection, take x equal L by 2, that means midpoint, that means at the center of the beam. Now substitute x equal L by 2 in above equation, that means ei a pi power 4 by L power 4 sin pi by L into L by 2 equal W. Now simplify this equation, we get a equal W L power 4 by pi power 4 ei. Hence write the trial function, that is y equal to a sin pi x by L. A means W L power 4 by pi power 4 ei sin pi x by L at x equal L by 2, that means y max equal to W L power 4 by pi power 4 ei sin x means L by 2 L get cancelled, that means pi by 2 sin 91 W L power 4 by pi means 3.14 whole to the power of 4 into ei, that gives 97.4 ei. Now calculate this coefficient a by using subdomain collocation method. In this method, the integral of the residual over the subdomain is set to 0. That means integration 0 to L r dx equals 0. Now substitute residual function in this equation. It gives integration 0 to L a ei pi power 4 by L power 4 sin pi x by L minus w into dx equals 0. Now integrate this term. Integration of sin is minus cos pi x by L sin ax integration uh, cos ax by a into L by pi minus wx intervals 0 to L. Now apply the limits. A e I pi power 4 by L power 4. In this L is L 1 L cancel, 1 pi cancel. A e I pi cube by L cube into minus cos pi minus cos 0 minus double L equals 0. We know the cos pi value, that is minus 1, cos 0 value 1, minus 1 that means minus 2, minus into minus plus. From this equation we get A equal to W L power 4 by 2 pi cube EI pi. Now substitute pi value, that is 3.14, whole cube. Finally we get W L power 4 by 62 EI. The trial function is y equal to A sin pi x by L. Now substitute this A value in trial function, we get y equal to W L power 4 by 62 EI into sin pi x by L. At midpoint, the deflection is y max equal to, now substitute x equal to L by 2. L by 2, L get cancelled, sin pi by 2, that means 1. W L power 4 by 62 EI. Now calculate this coefficient by using least squares method. In this method, the functional, that means I equal to integration 0 to L r square dx is minimum. Now substitute r in this equation, that means A E I pi power 4 by L power 4 sin pi x by L minus W whole square. Now assume this is A, this is B. Now write the formula for A minus B whole square, that means A square plus B square minus 2AB. Now simplify this equation, we get this one. In the place of sin square pi x by L, right, we know the formula, that is sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2 A square E square I square pi power 8 by L power 8 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2 plus W square minus 2AE. Now integrate each and every term. A square E square I square pi power 8 by L power 8 into 1 by 2 1 integration x cos integration sin 2 pi x by L into 2 pi L integration L by 2 pi. Now apply the limit 0 to L plus W square integration W square x, apply the limit 0 to L plus 2 AEI W pi power 4 by L power 4 sin integration cos pi x by L by x by pi by L means into L by 5. Now apply the limit 0 to L. Now apply the limits A square E square I square pi power 8 by L power 8 into 1 by 2 L minus sin LL get cancelled, sin 2 pi minus sin 0 into L by 2 pi plus W square L minus 0 plus 2 AE W pi power 4 by L power 4 into L by pi into, now substitute this L value, that means L by L cancel, that means cos pi minus cos 0. Now simplify this equation, we get A square E square I square pi power 8 by L power 8 into, in this sin 2 pi 0 sin 0 0, so finally we get L by 2 plus W square L plus 2A EI W 1L 1L 1 pi cancel 2 AEI W pi cube by L cube. Cos pi means minus 1, cos 0 1, minus 1 minus 2. A square E square I square pi power 8 by 1L get cancelled, 2L power 7 plus W square L minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 into 2 minus 4A EI W pi cube by L cube. Now partial derivative with respect to A, we get A square partial derivative 2A, 2 get cancelled, A E square I square pi power 8 by L power 7. There is no A term, so this derivative partial derivative is 0. In this having one A term, that is partial derivative is minus 4A partial derivative minus 4 EI W pi cube by L cube equals 0. From this equation, we get A equal to 4W L power 4 by pi power 5 EI. Hence, the trial function y equal to A sin pi x by L, y equal to W L power 4 by pi power 5 EI sin pi x by L. At x equal L by 2 maximum deflection, y max equal to 4W L power 4 by pi power 5 EI sin pi by 2. Finally, now substitute pi equal 3.14 in this equation, we get W L power 4 by 76.5 EI. Last method is Galerkin's method. In this integration 0 to L yr dx equals 0. Now substitute the trial function and residual function, and now multiply these two terms, we get A square EI pi power 4 by L power 4 sin square pi x by L minus AW sin pi x by L into dx. Uh, Sin square theta, also write sin square theta 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. Now integrate individual terms with respect to x and apply the limits. Finally, we get A square EI pi power 4 by L power 4 into, in this sin 2 pi 0 sin 0. Finally, we get L into 1 by 2 L by 2 minus, from this cos pi minus 1 cos 0 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 2A W L by pi equals 0. A square EI pi power 4 by L power 4 into L by 2 equal to 2A W L by pi. From this we get, we write A equal to, in this 1A get cancelled, 2W L by pi into, in this 1L get cancelled, 2L cube by EI pi power 4 equal to 4W L cube by pi power 5 by EI. Hence the trial function y equal to A sin pi x by L, that means A equal to 4W L power 4 by pi power 5 EI into sin pi x by L. At x equal to L by 2, L by 2 LL get cancelled, sin pi by 2 means 1. Finally we get W L power 4 by 76 point EI. We know the exact solution for maximum deflection of simply supported beam, 5W L power 4 by 384 EI, that equal to W L power 4 by 76.8 EI. Hence, the least square method and Galerkin's method give more accurate solutions. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.